The belief in a supreme being can fundamentally influence the way you perceive life. Believing in God can give you strength, courage, and an important sense of hopefulness. It can motivate you to become the best version of yourself and to treat others kindly. Even more importantly, having faith in God can help you to see a purpose in suffering. By trusting in God's guidance during such time of despair, you will know deep down inside yourself that things will eventually get much better. Not only will this help you to keep going gets tough, but it will also encourage you to see things from a brighter perspective. In short, trusting in God can give you the strength to face your fears and to overcome what is holding you back. This entire planet is true revelation of the beauty and almightiness of God. Each day reminds us of the true ingenuity of its creature. Yet many people choose to ignore the joy and beauty nature has to offer. Instead of marveling at the intelligent design of our entire existence, they lead uninvestigated lives. Thanks for watching this video. God bless you.